cooking time for our dish for lunch together with dinner. So first I saute garlics and then onions, ginger, tomatoes with green chilies, potatoes, and this is minced meat or ground meat, or they call it here keema. So I told Fahad to buy yesterday half kilogram of minced meat, but this already they mix with masala like chili powder, salt, black pepper, and because this one is already ready to make kebab. So what I did is just I put some water here because I want to remove some this masala they put. I think this is more spicy because kebab is very spicy. So I boiled this one. So now we have to fry or saute now garlics. You see, and then too much oil also. That's why I boil first. So this is half kilogram. I think I don't know how much half kilogram of this one. Maybe 600 rupees. So I add also potatoes. Now we have to put now these onions. As you can see the onions, too much onions. Here in Pakistan, we use too much spices to saute, like this garlics, onions, tomatoes. Not unlike in Philippines, just you use only 3 pieces or 2 pieces of teeth of garlics and then small piece of onions. But here we have to use too much onions and garlics. Especially when you cook biryani. If you cook biryani, you have to cook if 1 kilogram rice, then you have to use also 1 kilogram of onions and also potatoes. Ginger like that. But ginger, not too much you have to use. And garlics must be, we have to use also too much. Now we have to, now this saute now garlics and onions. I put already also ginger. Now we can add now also this turmeric powder, chili powder, salt. To be followed by tomatoes, green chilies optional. I put already aluminum foil here because if I will not put aluminum foil here, then too much spot here, especially when I'm cooking like this. Yung oil ba magtalsik-talsik. Yan. As you can see, someone watched my premiere because 1 week ago they make cement here, white cement. I have video. I have make premiere before 2 days, I think. And today my premiere is while I'm cooking this uh, paratas or chapati. So that's why I put here. Yan, aluminum foil. This is aluminum foil because still there is no more money to make no money make budget to make tiles here. So for the meantime, I put aluminum foil here. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this minced meat or ground meat or keema. And I did not put this water here because it's not good. So together we put now also this potatoes because I already boiled this one, minced meat. Now we have to put now these potatoes. If there is fish, then you can put also, but I think there is no more available, no more season for fish by this time. So only potatoes I put also here. And you can put also this capsicum, yung ano ba, yung bell pepper. But I don't have also. I did not tell Fahad to buy. So only potatoes I add here. Now we have to cover